Let's talk about your hands and your fingers. On the pianos, we have 88 keys and only 10 fingers. Each finger has a number, and every note that you play, you have to know which finger will play each note. So we start with your thumb. Your thumbs are number 1. Go out from there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Put your hands in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want to get really familiar with which finger is which so you can just play that finger very quickly without thinking about it. So one way to get used to that is we'll just play on any of the black keys and just call out a finger number and play one of the black keys with that finger. For instance, we'll do right hand finger 2 and just press down a black key this way. Okay. Remember that you're going to play between your nail and the circle of your fingerprint, and you'll be doing a little bit of this kind of grasping the key this way, and sometimes a little bit of wrist motion. Remember, your feet are flat. All your weight is through your tailbone, your elbows in front of your body, and your wrist above the keys. If you're sitting like this, you need to sit on something and get up higher above the keys. Okay, so let's take, for instance, finger 2, and we're just going to play one of the black keys like this. Okay. Now, if your nail is a bit long, and if you're playing correctly, that nail is going to be in the way. That's why you'll notice a lot of pianists have to have very short finger nails. And the reason is because of that little bit of the grasping of the key, that nail is just in the way. So if you really want to play piano well, you're going to need to have your nails cut short. And just try this with different fingers. Let's do the left hand finger 4 on any black key. You feel how you're grasping the key and yet your forearms are very light. Always check the rest of your body and just get really used to which finger is which on the hands so it becomes second nature to you.